All right. Thank you for joining. Today I wanted to go over Chainlink USDT on the Binance chart. So on my screen right now, I just want to keep it exactly the way how you see it. Did some charting, and these are the most important levels to keep an eye on when looking at Chainlink if you wanted to short it or go for a long entry. So I'll explain these levels on the chart and let you know exactly where it looks the best when it comes to entering and exiting a trade. So after we got this sell-off, we had a nice little impulse. Bitcoin was very bearish and obviously brought the rest of the market down with it. So we've actually stopped right above the point of control of this range, as you can see. And we also stopped right above this weekly level too as well. Now really quick, I'm going to go to the daily, and as you can see, there are 3 daily candles. Each of the lows have been defended, so there's liquidity built up below each of these lows, right? So with that being said, I would be expecting, before a continuation to the upside, would be for the market makers to come down, grab some liquidity, testing this weekly level, testing the point of control, impulsing up into this daily level above, which right now lines up with the golden pocket. If price does sell off a little bit, sweeps the lows, maybe it comes down to here. But for right now, we'll just leave it where it is, but I'm expecting price to come up into this golden pocket daily level, untested daily level, and also back into the value area high. If we get a rejection there, I would be expecting a full value rotation to the downside, touching the value area low, golden pocket, sweeping the lows, all the lows basically since this impulse. Also, there's a channel here, right? So there's an ascending channel. If I go zoom out enough, you can see multiple touch points. This ascending channel would be a nice confluence area as well for price to react into. And then this would be enough liquidity grabbed. You also be able to see a little bit of strength if we get a good bounce. We reclaim the value area low. And then I would be looking for range highs, right? So if we get this move to the downside, price reclaims the level, we move up. You're talking about a 28-29% increase in price to the range highs. And then this is where I would be looking for a short entry, because you have this pivot high, which is right below the previous month point of control. Let me go ahead and turn that on really quick. Turn these off for now. So you can see this was the month of July point of control, right above this swing high. And what's really nice about that is that it also is a untested daily level too as well. So triple confluence right there. I would definitely be expecting some sort of reaction. If it's big enough reaction, I would expect for it to come back down into this supply demand zone, right? So as you can see here, let me just mark that out. That would be the SR flip zone, right? So supply, or resistance. Flip to demand, lost it into resistance, resistance again. So if we get rejected from these out, I'll be expecting a move down to at least back into these levels before then an actual breakout continuation to the upside, targeting probably this quarterly close up here at around $19, right? So imagine if you do get into a long trade from these levels at the low, you could possibly take that up about 90% to these range highs right here. And if we go to the top of the channel, you're now looking at, let's see here, maybe over time it comes into these levels. Look at this golden pocket daily. That would be very nice actually. You're talking about 150% gain. So this is actually turning out to be a very beautiful chart in terms of price action and looking at where the possible targets can be. Over time, I think these levels could definitely get tested, right? Daily, golden pocket, weekly, top of the channel. So we have a lot of time for one of these levels to hit into the top of the channel, also creating another short entry, right? And we'll see when that is. Maybe that's towards the end of next year. Maybe Chainlink doesn't make another all-time high. It just tops out at around $28. Who knows? But we'll see how this price action goes over the next few months. But as of right now, it's good to just stay a little bit more local. And we're looking to see if we get this move to the downside first, taking these lows into the highs, into the value area high, coming back down aggressively into the value area low, golden pocket, ascending channel, lows, and then back into the highs, right? Nice price action, nice gains. So we'll see how this all pans out. Remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below with a project you'd like to see me chart. I did see a previous comment before, which was Maker. I'll go ahead and try to make that video very soon. But until then, yes, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and take care.